Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Trading Basics. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add server on MetaTrader 5. Keep watching the video till the end. To add server on MetaTrader 5, firstly go ahead and launch open your MetaTrader 5 application. Make sure that you're logged into your account and the home page of MetaTrader 5 will appear on the screen. From the home page, tap on three lines at the top left corner of the page, and from the displayed options, tap on Manage Accounts. Click on plus icon at the top right side of the page. Now to add server, search for a broker and tap on it from the search results. On the next page, tap on server from the drop down. Choose the server that you'd like to add, enter your login credentials and tap on login. This is how you can add server on MetaTrader 5's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.